Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the div tag. The div tag in HTML is like a magical box where you can put your elements like your text, your link, your list, even images. The div tag serves as a container for these elements. It helps to organize and structure your elements perfectly. So let's look at few examples. Using the div tag, we can put some elements like a paragraph, welcome to my web page, and then we could put a text as well. Maybe I'm using an H1 or H3. I'll just use an H3. Glad to have you here. And just like I mentioned earlier, we would even put an image inside a div. So we will put an image. I think the only image I have here is the laptop image. So now I put 3 elements inside a div, 2 texts and 1 image. Now, once we open this in browser, we'll have something like this. Now, we know that if we want to style this text, maybe welcome to my web page and glad to have you here, I might just style the div directly by using maybe inline styling to style the text. Maybe I want them to be positioned at the center or maybe at the right hand side. So the div, just like I said earlier, the div is a container tag. You can store as many fields as you want inside the div, and it helps you to organize your elements. Now we can have it in another way, like this. Let's say I want to add an image and a text, maybe like a card. Now this is the div for the image, and then after putting my image, I can even go ahead to put a text beneath it like this. Let's just say maybe the image is displaying products, so this could be price, and let's just put a price tab there. So we want this image to display horizontally on the screen. Now we can have another div for the next image, and then have another div for the third image. You can see that we have a container div, the div holding everything, and then each of the elements also have its own div. Now by doing this using this method, it's going to be much more easier for you to position your elements however you want it, maybe horizontally or vertically. So let's say I want to have 3 images displayed horizontally on the screen, and I want a text beneath each of them. So as we have here, we have the overall div, and we have the sub divs for each of the elements. So this div is holding the image and the text, and this div is also holding the image and the text, and same for the last div. The div tag is a very essential tag in web development, and it is really, really useful. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.